Hey everyone, today I am making some oven roasted chicken thighs. These are going to be boneless, skinless, and we are going to put on a beautiful, flavorful, tasty rub that I'm going to show you in just a bit. This meal is easy and quick. You're going to love it for our weeknight meals, so let's get to it. I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm going to show you how to do it right after my chef joke. What do you call a chicken that's good with numbers? Anathema chicken, of course. The first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We are baking the chicken in the oven, so we need to get our baking sheet prepped up. I've got a piece of foil on it first, and then a wire rack, which we're going to use to set the chicken on. And of course, the foil is just going to make cleanup so much easier. All right, next we're going to start off with our spice blend. So we're going to get a separate bowl, and we're going to add some garlic powder. We're going to add about 4 teaspoons of that, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. Onion powder will be next, and it's the same amount, 4 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. Then we're going to add some chili powder. Now I like to use the type that's called California chili powder. It's mild and it's very flavorful. So we're going to add a teaspoon of that. Hey, and don't forget you can get the written recipe below the video in the description area. Next, we're going to add some paprika. Now I'm going to do 1.5 teaspoons of regular paprika, and we're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Next, we're going to add some oregano leaves. We're going to add 1 heaping teaspoon there, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 heaping teaspoon of dried basil, one of my favorites. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons leveled off of salt. And then we're going to add a few cracks of pepper. Then you want to take a whisk and blend this all together really well. Now it's time to prep up our chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs because they stay juicy, and that's what you want. You could even overcook these a little bit by 5-10 minutes, and it's not a problem. You're going to want to take your chicken out of the refrigerator, set it on the counter, while you're making all your spice blend, and let it sit for, a half an hour so it comes up to temperature a little bit. Then when we take it out of the package, you're going to want to pat it dry. We don't want it moist and wet so that it steams in the oven. We want it to roast. So I lay mine on paper towels like you see here, and then I'll take some more paper towels and I'll just pat them dry. Now we're ready to coat the chicken with just a nice thin layer of extra virgin olive oil. This will help the spice rub to stick. Go ahead and coat both sides. Now we'll just take each piece of chicken, lay it in the spice rub, and just coat it. Either you can use your hands or you can use a spoon to help you out. Just make sure you coat the whole thing, and then we'll place each piece on the baking rack. So friends, if you're looking for a no-fuss dinner that delivers big, bold flavor, then these baked chicken thighs are going to become a new staple in your home. They're perfect for busy nights or meal prep, and you can serve this with cauliflower rice or roasted potatoes, steamed vegetables for a complete delicious meal. Now all we do is pop these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Are you ready for chef joke number 2? So why did the chicken want to become a detective? Because he wanted to investigate foul play. So I checked the chicken after 15 minutes, and if yours looks a little bit dry on top, like it's not moistening up the seasoning, then go ahead and do a few sprays of avocado or olive oil spray. I just put a little bit on it just to kind of moisten it just a little bit. Like I said earlier, go ahead and check your temperature of your chicken, after 30 minutes and see where it's at. Mine is definitely done. So I'm going to pull that out. There's our chicken right out of the oven, nice and flavorful. Look at this. We'll serve it up, and I'll cut into it, and you can see how juicy this is. It is so flavorful. You got to try it. Now I got to tell you about my favorite chocolate cake dessert. This is my fluffy chocolate fantasy cake. It's called the Dream Cake. It is incredible. I want everyone to try it. Click the link on the screen, and it'll take you right to the recipe. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and share the video with anybody who you know who might enjoy a nice, delicious recipe. All right, we'll see you back here next time for another Rockin' recipe.